What's up, YouTube? This is Tia by Nature, back with another video for you guys. Today I am attempting to do a DIY for lash extensions. Attempting. I've never done this before. I've never done it for anybody else. So this is my very first time trying to do this. I've always wanted it done. I felt like if it looks natural enough, I'll be fine with it. And I think I can make it look pretty natural to where it's not all that extra stuff I be seeing chicks wear these days. So going through my YouTube, when I did my YouTube search on them, I did see a few things that I must have while to do this. And so what I got, and everything I got was cheap. It was the cheapest of the cheap in the store. I figured, why buy something expensive on something that I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Like I said, if I don't like it, I'm taking it off. But if I do like it, I'm just wear it for however long I can. So yeah, so the items that I got for this DIY learning experience is the Broadway individual lash adhesive, the glue. This is what I got, the glue. Of course, I got some tweezers. You see that $1.99? They had one for like $5. I'm like, I'm not buying it. And I got the cheapest Broadway lash extensions that I can find. Like I said, I'm experimenting, I'm playing with it. I don't know what I'm doing right now, so I wasn't going to go and buy the most expensive or nothing more than $1 or $2 until I figure out if I really like it. Like I said, I always wanted to wear it, but just because I always want to wear it don't mean that this is going to be successful and then I'm going to be able to wear it, because I'm not going to nobody's beauty supply beauty salon and getting them done. I heard they are ridiculously high. So if I can't do it, I'm just not gonna wear it. By the looks of it, they look like they're all the same size. Because I see somewhere it changed how big they were. By each row. I want to say they're all the same. No, they do kind of look like. But anyway, I'm gonna start at the top row anyway. So, guess it's just like this. I don't know how. I really don't feel like I'm gonna get this right. So I'm just gonna pull off one at a time. So as y'all can see, I did that first of all. What I should have did is put the glue in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This is how much I'm using. Hopefully that's all I'm gonna need. Alright, and the technique I'm using is putting them under my lash. I think that will be easier and also more natural looking. So I'm gonna attempt to put them under my lash. We shall see. And I don't know if I should use the phone or the mirror. Anyway, so I'm gonna pick it back up. And I guess since I'm, oh my God, I guess since I am doing it under my lashes, I'm going to have to put the glue on the top. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it and just leave it. Is this enough? Oh my God, I dropped it again. Alright, y'all, so I dropped it about 5 times. I think I got it right now. So I put the glue on there and oh my God, I'm scared. sorry y'all, I got hyped for a second. I like it just like this. I really wanted to look more on to have them more on the ends rather than all right here, but I'm gonna do the whole thing just to see if I can do the whole thing. But I like this, and I don't think I got it on my skin. I saw it, a lot of people saying don't put it on your skin, put it as close to your skin as possible, but put it on your lashes, not your skin. And I don't think it's on my skin. Yeah, I don't think it's on my skin. So I'm gonna attempt to do another one. I did the same thing, just pulled one off, and then I'm gonna dip the top part so I can quit dropping them. That one fell in the sink, so I'm gonna get a new one. God damn. So yeah, they did say that the glue dries very fast, and I do feel like it's drying already. Alright, first of all, I think it'd be better if I don't know why I'm whispering. Can y'all see it? I might gotta put some more glue on it. So we're gonna add some more glue because the dab I already got on here is like feeling like it's drying. Let's try this again. I don't know if I want to do it again. Yeah, that's what I'm messing up at. So I guess I need to wait until it dry. Okay. So we're gonna try it again. This time I'll leave it on.
go, Tia. I think you should get it now. But once you let it go, it don't look like I'm doing it wrong. Because I definitely probably got too much glue on that side. But once you let it go, it don't look like glue. It looks like my lashes. I know I think I'm weird because I keep on whispering to myself. That's just what they like, or they really think this shit look cool. Like, I'm like, wow. I feel like y'all need to have your eyebrows so thick. You can check on baby girl. She is teething, so there's a lot of whining and stuff going on lately. And of course, I got a baby her. Animation is almost like it's about to come off. Yeah, it was about to come off, so gotta get it before. Want it to be like really, really perfect. Or I don't want to be here for an hour. I still think that's too long to do freaking eyelashes. I guess because my kids wouldn't even let me be in here for an hour doing this. They'd be banging on my door. Okay, then I'm going to put another one right between the one that I just put on and the other one to the far left. I think I put too much on this one. Wait, what side going to go? I don't know. On this side. I put that joint too far up, but I'm going to leave it up there. No, not because it just fell.
Alright, so that one definitely got me this time. Eyes all worried. And God trying to tell me I was doing too much. Alright, but that's it, y'all. Remember to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and comment if y'all need to ask any questions or got some stuff y'all want me to know. And I will see y'all in the next video.